Namaste. Welcome to our spiritual episode on BHPM channel, whose name is Fall Like Waterfall. Nowadays is not far away come the joint statement of Supreme Court and Government of India that Procurer is also an employment. The way prostitutions has been openly considered as an employment. Seeing the Brahmins of today, the people of a small caste say, Pai lago Baba, means you bow down to me. Today, if the children of Brahmins, seeing their elderly neighbor Brahmin, say, Pai lagu Baba, then the mischievous elderly Brahmins say, don't be happy, stay so. That is, keep your shoes on them. They talk to us, but the eyes are on the newly daughter and daughter-in-law of our houses. I think those who do this are mother abuse in childhood. They grow up to become sister abuse after living life like bitch, and they become daughter abuse in the end. All of this work is for the fallen people, but nowadays in the cities, who as many have fallen, their walls have risen. I would have been lost in this glare of cities if it was not grace of Gurudev. Today's youth should listen carefully to these three things of mine. By working hard, there is no poverty. By doing religion, there is no sin. And by being silent, there is no discord. I hate such designer peoples who have left their sacrament and have fallen into the deep pit of enjoyment and are living their born Sudras wearing a false cloak of Brahminism, and they are becoming Sudras, Christians and Muslims. This is often the fate of such designer Brahmins, why their pride is not shattered when they have to eat food at Sudra's place due to the circumstances. Such people often out of the house holding the feet of Sudras and come home become antimony on women and children. And today the same Vaisyas and Sudras tell us Brahmins that Pai lago Baba, and in doing so have actually seen some Brahmins also, which is unfortunate for the Brahmin caste. Where did the Aryans, who were followed by all caste, go? And them, Christian and Muslims, are the product of our own mental deformities. Now cutting and uprooting them will also prove to be our next mistake. True have been said by Shaman, fall, fall, mother abuses fall, but fall like a waterfall, which does not lose its beauty even after falling from such a height. With this, give permission to your spiritual friend, screenwriter, professional author, spiritual reporter, Mritunjay Anupriya. We will meet again in the next episode. Namaskar.